sing like Datuk Siti or like Ziana Zain, or like all the kind of like the what do you call it, powerful vocals. I can't do that, so I thought that I'm not a good singer. So
Mhm.
when I was like 14, I was going through that. Well, I'm not gonna be able to sing well. Every time I go to auditions, they always say no to me because it's like, oh, you're not ready, because I couldn't sing like the ballad singers. So it was very tough for me to deal with that at the time, and to find love in music again. So I decided to quit. So I just didn't sing at all, like, and from 15 till like 17, like I never want to sing ever again. Like I told my mom would be like, oh, there's a stage lah, kenduri apa, like go and sing. I'm like, no, I don't want to sing. So I was going through that, and I think that's what I would say to myself, like, it's okay, take your time, don't feel bad about not being able to do that. You'll find your own voice one day, and you'll be great. You'll figure out what to do with music, and don't stress out about it. So yeah, that's what I would say to my 14-year-old self.